Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Let's first prepare some stuff for the live stream. Welcome. Gold copy trading. To get started without capital. All right, we're going live on Facebook. We're going live on YouTube. Welcome, guys. It's been a while since I was live. Let's see if Facebook is going to send me live. Yeah, we are live on Facebook too. So welcome, guys. Welcome to this live stream, and I'm back again after a while live streaming. It was a long time ago. Before that, I was working with Builderall. People maybe know me from Builderall. I was the Builderall director for European operations, and as you know, Builderall was sold by Eric Zagato a few years ago, and I stepped out last year in 2024, and now me and Eric joined a corporation again. So yeah, I'm happy and also stoked to announce that we are already live with our gold trading bot. It's connected to the Quantico copy trading website. And again, a lot of questions from people which want to get started, because this is the online business opportunity for you to get started, because you don't need any marketing skills or building website or funnels or email marketing or any support stuff. You know, all this work you have to do before you get any money, like, for example, affiliate marketing. I know a lot about affiliate marketing too. It's complicated, right? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get started even without capital, because you don't need capital to get started with gold trading. And I'm going to show you how it works, because it's very easy to get started. The risk is very low, but you need to know the steps, right? Cool. So I'm going to share my screen. Oh, wait a minute. First, we have to go to the here. Yeah, this one. And I have to share my screen, right? All right, here we are. So first, I'm gonna show you how to get started without any capital, because we are using prop firms. And of course, you can start with your own capital. The minimum is $1,000 to get started. And we recommend around 5 till 10K to get started too. So you have also a threshold, for example, in your drawdown. And if you are not familiar with trading, don't worry, because you can start without any trading skills. But people which know about trading, they know what drawdown is. That's the loss. And of course, a bot is not always profitable, but we created a bot which is 70% profitable. All right. So get started with Apex, because all the people in my group, but also all the people from Netherlands, where I also sell my bots, and the people in Eric, his community, are using Apex as a prop firm. And what is a prop firm? What they do is, they are not giving you, but they are providing you a capital which you can trade with, okay? But first, you have to show that you are a trader, or that you can trade. So you need to go through a challenge. And the bot is doing your challenge. You don't have to do anything, because the bot is doing the trade. So that's very easy. And once you are approved for the challenge, you have also a profit threshold, then you are good to go with real money. So on apextraderfunding.com, you go to Trade of Fate plan. And here you have to choose at least, you have several plans, but you need at least a 50K plan. So I will recommend to start with a 50K account. And here you see the profit goal is $3,000. So you need to have a profit with the bot of $3,000. When you reach the profit $3,000, then you can activate your real life account, your funded account as they call it. It costs you $150 one-time fee to activate it, and then you get access to 50K to trade with, okay? And all the profits above the 53K, so they also have a cushion threshold for that. So everything above the 53K you can withdraw to your bank account, all right? So the profit, but if you lose the money, for example, if you losing 2.5k, so trading threshold, then yeah, you don't have to pay that back, but you have to go back again to the challenge and go to the challenge again until you have a profit goal of 3k, and then the same story again. So this makes it very easy to get started with trading, because you don't need your own capital and the risk is very low. You pay $167 a month for a 50k account, but we have a 50% discount coupon code. So when you use this one, when you buy this plan, then it's only $80 a month. All right, and then you can get started with your challenge. So first, buy a Trade-of-8 Apex funding account. Once you bought it, then you get this in your dashboard. Here you see your active subscriptions. That's it. It's already included with a Trade-of-8 account. So what is Trade-of-8? Trade-of-8 is the broker which you need, because all the trades will be handled by Trade-of-8. So when a bot takes an order, so when it goes long or short, it takes a trade, then the trade will be also be visible in your Trade-of-8 account. Okay, so there's already a license of Trade-of-8 inside. So then go to tradeof8.com and then log in. Once you log in, you have to log in not as a professional trader, but non-professional. That's very important. Once you log in, then you are here on the right side. Okay. Maybe it looks a bit different, but don't worry. You don't have to do anything in here. It's in here. Okay. Then your Apex account is already connected. So if you have one Apex account, it's listed here. But if you have multiple, they're also listed here. So now you have funding from Apex, from a prop firm, 50k, and also a broker's account. So that's the start. Now you have to go to tradechanges.com. That's our website. And there you have to buy, for example, a membership for our singles. So go to tradechanges.com, and then here we have a webinar where it explains more about the opportunity. So webinar with Eric, and also a setup guide in here, and click on Start with Quantico Cap. Then you see here Connect a Copy Trader. So click on it. Then you have to create an account. If you don't have an account already, create an account. Once you create an account, then you are here in your dashboard. Then you see here available signals. So yeah, you have to purchase TradeChanges first. So click on the buy signal. Then you have to pay $100 a month. And then once you bought it, then it's here in your active signals. Okay. So now you have also a subscription to our signals of our bot. And I will explain more about the bot and how it works later on. So active signals, now you have to go to tutorials, because you have to install a Chrome extension. It's very easy, don't have to be tech savvy, just watch the video, and it's very easy to download the Chrome extension. And once it's downloaded, it's in here, right? So here is a Chrome extension. Okay. So go back to Quantico Cap, to your dashboard, click on Access Signal, click on all the boxes, Generate Token, copy that, then paste it here in the Quantico copy, connect it, and now you are connected with all the signals of our bot, which will be also automatically will be sent to your broker's account, Trade-of-8. So the trades will be placed here. All right. Actually, that's the whole setup. More things you don't have to do. Once you're on the dashboard, you see here I also put messages in the traders board with updates about the day, a losing day, or a winning day. Some kind of updates about news events, because we don't trade with news, it's very risky. So here are all the messages I placed the past week, and here are the traders' recent actions. So here you can see if there is a buy signal or a close signal. So if you log in later, you see here a buy signal, maybe you missed it, or when you come home, you see how many trades there were in the day, and yeah, you can also check your profits in here, or maybe a small loss in here for that day. So, but it's very important to leave your laptop open or your computer with the Chrome extension connected and with Tradeovate open. That's very important. So it has to run all day. Yeah, it's also possible to install Tradeovate on a VPS server. So yeah, you don't have to be open your laptop or your computer all day. The VPS server takes care of that. It's online all day, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's the most easy way. But just keep your laptop and your computer open and Tradeovate open to receive the trades. Okay. So actually, the setup is only that. So you don't have to trade in your own capital. Just go to Tradeovate, sorry, to apextraderfunding.com. Purchase a 50k account, or maybe multiple. It's up to you what your budget is. And then you have here a Tradeovate account also. So you can open a Tradeovate account in here. Your Apex account is listed. Then go to QuanticoCap, buy our signal. And then the only thing you have to do is accept signal. And then check the boxes, etc. And you're good to go. It's connected to our bot. You are in full control of your account. You also are able to close for example, the trade manually yourself with close. So if you are, for example, behind a computer and you have to close your computer because you have to leave or whatever, and it's in a winning trade and you are happy with $100, $200 in the trade, just close it, okay? So you are in full control of your own account too. So you don't have to rely only on the bot. So what is the bot from Trade Changes? I will increase my screen here. Here we are. So we created a strategy, as they call it, in TradingView. And you don't have to use this because this is the engine where our bot is running. So this bot is sending the signals to your Quantico copy trading account. All right. So, and here you see the signals actually buy, exit, sell, close position. So these are the signals which will be sent through TradingView. Here, the signals to Quantico copy trading account, and from that to your Tradeovate broker. And the strategy is very, very awesome. It takes around 1 or 2 trades a day, sometimes also no trades if the market conditions are not good. But when you go to the list of trades in here, then you see here all the trades from the past week. And here we see a profit, small profit, loss, profit, loss, profit. And of course, it is not 100% profit, but also some losses, and it will result in 1K in 3 weeks profit, okay? So in the past 3 weeks, we made around 1K in profit, 14 trades, profitable trades 71%, profit factor almost 5, so very high. So yeah, it's very, very, very good, and yeah, it's also very manageable because it's 1 or 2 trades a day. It's not a lot of also commissions for your broker, but also not a lot of slippage where you lose a lot of money too. So that's also an advantage of having not many trades a day, and yeah, actually it's all automated, right? So this is the part where we are fine-tuning also our bot. Yeah, so mostly weekly, so I just fine-tuned it for the next week, but also sometimes in the week we are fine-tuning the bot because we are fully control of the results of the bot, and we can adapt to the market conditions too. So this is our dashboard where we can do the settings and also, for example, change the take profit and stop loss, also percentage. And the max loss is around $100 a trade. And the profit is around $250 a trade max, okay? Not always, because sometimes there is an order, for example, started here is an order, here's a trade happening at around 5 p.m. our time, so that's Dutch time, and closed 5 minutes before the market close. It was in an uptrend, but not in an uptrend where it hit the take profit. And the same is for example, let me see here, for the loss we had for $1, the same here, so it closed at $1 loss. But normally when it hits the stop loss, it's $94, something like that. And you see here also, and the take profit, around $250 max. All right. So there is also risk management built in your bot, so you don't have to worry, and everything is already in there and it's automated. So the only thing you have to do is go to tradechanges.com, to our website in here, and then start with Quantico Cap. And once you are in, then you have to purchase for $100 a month the signals, then exact signal, and then check the boxes, generate token. When you download it, once you downloaded the plugin, the Chrome extension, then you can copy the token in there, and then it's connected to your Tradervate account. Okay, you're also able to disconnect it in here, and then it's disconnected. So that's very, very easy. So also for people which are not in trading, never trade, this is the perfect solution for you to get started quickly. Okay. So guys, this is really an opportunity to get started with Make Money Online with trading without having any trading experience. If you're already trading, you know there's a lot of emotions involved, and you never know when to get started, because when is the right time to take a trade or when is the right time to exit the trade. It's skill, it needs skills, but also it's all emotional stuff. So I know from experience, I trade also manually myself, and that's why I created these bots myself. At this moment, they are $100 a month as an introduction. We are also planning to release more strategies for the Quantico copy trading, and yeah, we're also planning to increase the price. I think next month to $125 or $150 a month, because this is a really yeah, valuable tool which you can use. And yeah, when you pay $100 a month and you make 1K a month, for example, then you already have profit. So with one trade, you already have your investment back. Okay. So and even you don't have to trade with your own money. How cool is that? All right, that was it. If you have any questions, check it out in the comments below, and I'm happy to answer them. Also, when you want to hook me up on Messenger on Facebook, then you're also welcome to ask questions, and yeah, I'm really eager to. Me and Eric are really eager to welcome you to Quantico Copy Trading, and see you soon there. Ciao.